Class, as we have studied this chapter in the previous classes, now we will discuss some of the important terms to revise. The terms are: a globe is a model of the earth. What is a globe? A globe is a model of earth. Map is a drawing of earth or a part of it. मैप इज अ ड्राइंग ऑफ अर्थ. मैप एक ड्राइंग का अर्थ का एक ड्राइंग है या फिर उसका एक पार्ट है. जैसे कि अगर हम स्टेट्स को दिखाते हैं, कॉन्टिनेंट्स को दिखाते हैं, तो ये आपका एक मैप हुआ. एटलस इज अ बुक दैट कंटेन्स डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैप. अ बुक ऑफ मैप्स इज कॉल्ड एटलस. ऐसा बुक जिसमें सिर्फ मैप के अलग अलग टाइप्स ऑफ मैप जो आपको बनाए हुए रहे, वो एटलस कहलाता है. हॉरिजॉन इज द प्लेस वेयर द अर्थ एंड द sky seem to meet. When the earth and the sky seem to meet at a point, this point is called horizon. ऐसा जगह जहाँ पे लगे कि अर्थ और स्काई एक जगह पे जाके मिल जा रहे हैं, उस पॉइंट को हॉरिजॉन कहते हैं. कोस्ट इज द मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सी एंड द लैंड. जहाँ पे सी और लैंड यहाँ पे मीट करता है, उस पॉइंट को हम लोग कोस्ट बोलते हैं. कंपास इज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज टू फाइंड डायरेक्शंस. The five main oceans of the earth are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. The seven continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Now we will discuss the exercise of these chapters from both the books. First, book 1. Tick the right answer. The needle of the compass always points to the north direction. Always point to the north direction. A book of map is called an atlas. Now, the smallest continent is Australia. The smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Fill in the blanks. Large side maps are called wall maps. The largest water body is called ocean. Compass shows the north direction. Or compass always shows the north direction. There are 7 continents. There are 4 directions. Now tick and cross. Which are true, put a tick mark, and which are false, put a cross mark. A globe may be carried in a school bag. It is false. It is a big round shape, so we can't carry it in a bag. इसको हम लोग बैग में डाल के नहीं ले जा सकते हैं. There are 7 continents. It is true. Map is drawn on a paper sheet. Yes, it is true. Asia is the smallest continent. It is false. And Asia is the biggest continent. A life is possible only on the moon. No, life is possible in Earth. Write the names of any 3 continents: Asia, Africa, Australia. Any 3 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Now come to book 2. Fill in the blanks. The model of the earth is called globe. The largest continent on the earth is Asia. Map is always drawn on a plane surface. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. And fifth one, the Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean. Take the correct answer. First, a book of map is called an atlas. Second, the needle of compass always points in the north direction. The color used to show water bodies is blue. Fourth, a very large land mass on Earth's surface is called continent. Fifth, the top of the map always is called a globe. It is false. A model of the earth is called a map. It is false. A large side map is called a wall map. It is true. There are 4 main directions. True. All the water bodies are shown in green color. It is false. Water bodies are shown in blue color. The Indian Ocean is the largest ocean on the earth. It is false, because the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. This is about the exercises. You have to complete these exercises in your book, and I will send the question answers of this chapter in a separate paper. Write down the question answers in your SST copy. Thank you.